Hello, my name is Heather, and today we're going to be making slime. You will need glue. I got this from Walmart. Elmer's is my recommendation. Then we have saline solution. You can also use baking soda and this. It's easier to use this. And I will be mixing a bowl and a spoon. And then we have add-ins, which I'm using foam beads. And so first we're gonna add the glue. The more glue, the more big the slime will be. And then I'm gonna add in my add-in. It exploded. I only add a little bit at a time because if you add too much, it'll be like rubber. And we don't want rubber. It'd be pretty rubber, but not rubber. I have to poke it once in a while. You might have to wash your hands after this. One time, I had slime, I thought it was ready, and I stuck my whole hand in. That was a mess. I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine. I was aiming for a clear slime, but it's bubbly. The bubbles will like get out, like it'll all clear out. If you play with it, it will turn all like foggy. But then when you like sit it out and leave it somewhere, it will just turn clear. The foam balls are gonna make the texture a lot crackly. It's gonna have so many bubbles in it, probably. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Let him shine, let him shine. It won't necessarily drip when you do it. It will kind of clump together. Isn't gonna be huge slime like I thought it was gonna be. It's gonna be a number baby slime. It's going to be a baby slime. I will stomp my feet and I will clap my hands and shout. No, it's not slimy. How is this not slimy? Coming together? Is it finally coming together?
Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear? Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we...
It's actually very tiring. At least, I don't even have steps on my Fitbit. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear? Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear? But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness.
Alright, on to the next line. Take two. This time, oh, that's good. I'm doing a tiny slime. I need activator. I need a spoon.
Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear?
Therefore do not be anxious, saying what shall we eat, or what shall we drink, or what shall we wear?
But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness.
Oh, I think it's plans coming together. Plans coming together. Oh, I think we have something. No, no.
Angels bow before him, heaven and earth adore him.
We're back. We took out some slime. There were two people, and we split it in half. And I dropped mine, so this is my partner. And it turned out great, except it's not as bubbly as I thought. So that's the slime. No. You want to come to Mama. You want to come to Mama's slime.
Adore him.